Looking for a stunning, restaurant-quality side dish? It is super easy to make. This garlic glass noodles and Napa cabbage recipe is a must-try. Start by halving and quartering fresh Napa cabbage. Blanch the cabbage in boiling salted water with a touch of oil for 1 minute to keep it tender and bright green. Drain and arrange them neatly in a gorgeous flower pattern on your plate. Add a nest of soaked glass noodles right to the center, then generously top it with aromatic minced garlic and chili paste. Steam on high heat for 5 minutes. Drizzle with soy sauce. Garnish with fresh scallions, and splash hot oil over the top to release those amazing aromas. This is absolutely delicious. You have to try this. Please subscribe to, like and share.